as you know, I'm in the midst and getting to the end of this amazing challenge to see how much of Luxembourg I can see using nothing but public transportation. I started in Luxembourg City, I went to Clairvaux, then I went to Insenborn, then I went to Edelbrock, then Echternach, then down along the Moselle to Rhemisch. And then I took one last bus across to Belval, and here I am by the blast furnace. This looks like a perfect place to take my selfie. And a fair ride. So we got one more train ride from here in Belval to Luxembourg City. Up that way, where we're going to pass, is the Rock Hall, which is an amazing place. I've seen the Red Hot Chili Peppers, Tenacious D, Motorhead, and Swan Lake, the ballet there. Pretty cool. Hello, Rock Hall! Are you ready to rock? Belval is done. There's just one more place to go. Back to Luxembourg City. One more mode, the tram. So this worked out. The weather stayed beautiful, and it's about 6 o'clock, 6:04. So that didn't take all that long. There she is. Yes, Verdish. I can't believe how much I saw. This morning I started here in Luxembourg City. I took a train north to Clairvaux. I took a bus to Insenborn, a bus to Edelbrock, a bus to Echternach. And then I took a bus down along the Moselle to Rhemisch. And then a bus over to Belval. Merci. What's the Belval? Back here to Luxembourg City, and Eddie Chow, tip top.